I never imagined that a simple beach day could unravel the very fabric of my life. There we were, lying on the sand, my boyfriend and my sister, laughing and splashing in the waves. Everything felt normal until I noticed their tattoos, identical delicate feathers inked on their wrists, a secret language etched into their skin. My stomach dropped as I realized what this meant. The sight burned into my brain, and I couldn't ignore the late-night whispers and stolen glances I'd dismissed as paranoia. Confronting them led to an explosive confession. While I'd been planning our future, they'd been living a lie behind my back. My sister, whom I trusted implicitly, and the man I thought I'd marry had been tangled in an affair, starting from the night of my birthday party when I was too drunk to notice their absence. As they tried to explain, I felt the ground shift beneath me, leaving me questioning my worth and how I could ever trust again. The betrayal cut deeper than I